Do you not see how big the battery is? What the hell's going on with this game?
It's tweaking. Damn!
Look at that! Hey guys, it's June. Just June. And we're just playing Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. It's been a while, I know. And I literally had to speed run the game because the last time I played it, it was trying to stream. It didn't record it. Ergo, I literally had to fast forward everything, in a sense. So I just finished coming from the play area. And now we have to listen to DogDay's speech one more time, and hopefully we can just get it knocked out in one shot. And that's a big maybe.
You're Poppy's angel. Come to save us. Nothing left to save. Not here. Nor at CatNap's home, angel. Their home. A myriad pairs of eyes are on you now. Watching, waiting,
Hi guys.
hungry. They want nothing more than to move your skin and eat away at you bit by little bit. Fill what
I'm sorry,
is
but they jacked this
inside
man up.
themselves. That thing, CatNap. The prototype is his
He's
god.
literally being held together by
This
this
is what he
belt.
does to heretics. These little toys follow CatNap to avoid that very thing.
Don't eat that!
And in return, they are fed. We try to fight it. The prototype's control. I am the last of the smiling critters. Listen to me. You need to get out of this place. You need to live.
But I would.
You and Poppy could fix this. End this madness. The torment. Oh no.
Alright.
Oh no. Leave me. Please. Just go. Run.
I tried. Okay. One shot, y'all. Oh, that's what Alright, left. I'm so scared. Right. No. Oh my god, I don't even know if I'm running. Am I running? Left. Oh! Oh no! I hear people. I'm dead. So much for one shot, right? Well, the good thing is we don't have to listen to the speech again. We did. I forgot. It does start you all the way back here for some reason. All right. So I think we're just gonna start with him getting diddied in this jail cell.
No. Leave me.
Yep.
Please. Just go. Run.
Come on. Open up. Open up. Woo. Oh my god. This can't be running. I can't be running. Oh my god, it's so slow. Oh my god, he's in my ear, bro. He's in my freaking ear. He's in my ear. I don't know why I keep forgetting it closes on me. I don't want to look back. Oh, I'm stuck! Oh my god, I'm gonna freaking die, bro. I'm gonna freaking die. Oh, hello? I'm dead. Oh my god, Joe, run! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god. Right. That's... I played a lot of different... Did it close on me? Hello? Thank you. I played a lot of scary games, and for some reason, it's the noises. The noises is what sets it off. If you hear any kind of background noise, my sister is here with me.
Hi. Sorry,
I
it's
hate you.
me. I will be making a noise real quick. Sorry.
What's your streaming handle?
Brittany D77. If you guys want to catch me on there, playing the same thing but maybe better.
So if you didn't hear her handle is Brittany D77, also known as Bree Daddy 62.
Please, it's X3.
So, all right. God, I hated that. So we're gonna go down the slide. That's what I will say about this game is that they got the noises down packed. Everything from, oh God. Speaking of noises.
Hey, are you alright? No ouchies
No.
or lost body parts? I'm really glad you're okay. I don't want to
I'm
lose
sorry.
any more friends to this place.
I keep thinking I
Hey,
can turn on the
did you
flashlight.
see the shrine? CatNap made it for the prototype. See,
No kidding.
before CatNap turned into CatNap, I guess there was some pretty serious accident. He almost died, but they say that the prototype saved his life, giving up his
God.
own freedom in the process.
Wait, do I need to...
In CatNap's eyes, the prototype is a superhero and has saved this place. So CatNap treats him like a god, killing everyone that opposes him, us included, if we're not careful. That shrine, did it scare you? If you
No.
thought that was terrifying, just wait until you see the real thing. Anyways, we're really close to the end. I sent you a new key. You're going to the
New key.
counselor's office instead. It's not ideal, but it should have enough juice. If you can get that generator going and plug it in, I think we'll be done. And keep your eyes open for CatNap. Every shadow and every flickering light is a hiding spot. He always stalks his prey first. He'll take away anything you have to defend yourself. And when you're at your most vulnerable, he'll kill you. CatNap lives for the hunt. Good luck. Talk soon.
I hate his voice. I hate his name. Who names their child Ollie? Alright. He's at the counselor's office, right? Is that this big city hall looking thing?
Melta.
Stupid. Alrighty. We're almost there, y'all. Like I said, I literally had a speed run the beginning to here, which really wasn't speed running at all, because I got stuck, what, 2 times? 3 times?
Yeah. About 3 times.
Your tools won't protect you. Your mom. What's in here? Easy. Alright. Literal thirst trap. Anyway. Oh. I just gotta take that battery out, right? Take you out. And pop it in there. Alright, so I just need... These noises are really bothering me. Hey, what is that? Hello? Hello? Okay, so I guess he's here. You know, in hindsight, I have zero reason to continue to do what I'm doing. There's no reason for me to continue here. I came here because of a letter. was literally a letter saying that my friends or my employees, my coworkers were here. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna come back. And now look at me. I don't know where to go. Is this door open? Do I have to go through here? I don't know where to go. Now, what's wrong with my hand? Alright. Oh. Maria Ashokin. Wait. Head of the school. Maria Ashokin. Is that who Mr. Light was? Ooh. Like, I'm not gonna pretend I don't know a lot of lore, but I still don't know a lot of lore. And that's the first time I'm seeing that name. So why am I here? There's nothing in here. Wait, no, there's gotta be a reason why I can open this. Wait, guys, I'm so sorry. It's so dark. I don't even think that's gonna make a difference. Did it? I have to be able to come in here, right? Oh, stupid! It's right in front of me. Should've worn my glasses. I know some of y'all are watching. If you are, like this dumbass. Alright. Help. Eduardo Gala. Is this money? This fake money? Funny money? Bet you that's what they're paying them with. Nope. Now, unlike the speed run, which I knew what was happening, at this point I don't know. So everything... So if I'm a little bit more quiet than usual, it's because I really don't know what's happening. I have not gotten this far into the game prior. So, little nervous, little scared. Why? That's my why is everything underground? How much money this man had? Wait, because I can't see nothing. Oh, okay. So everything's upstairs. That's fine. Oh. Oh, I gotta... Okay, but how am I supposed to... always look up. Remember, in Poppy Playtime, it's always good to look up. Or you'll get lost for half an hour like I did. Well... Right. Oh! Oh, wait. Okay. So I gotta do it with this hand. And launch myself. Right? Yeah, yeah. Don't let go. Aha! Jump back up. here. Jump. Go around. Oh, I can't go that far. That's the problem. Oh, what was that? Is that me? What is that sound? Oh my god, what is that? Is that me? Oh, it's the stupid ass floor. Is it? Oh, it's these things. Throw this crap out. Jeez. Yes, yes. And then. There we go. My god. Y'all should have seen my face. I was so scared. Alright. So, am I good? Oh, okay. And then jump. And then jump. Just knock this off because that... You're lucky I can't grab it. Oh my god. Jump and then run. Jump. There we go. My god. Open up. Hello. Oh, flies. Can't open the door. Oh, Stella. I know about Stella. She's the head of yeah, Playcare. Said it literally. Said it on the door. Anything important? Oh, there's a tape. I couldn't find the tape when I was in that maze with the smiling critters. I had no luck, and I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to find. Oh, is that the tape right there? Oh, let's watch the tape. Ugh.
Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Hartman. Come on in. Please, have a seat. How was your ride down?
It was, nothing like we were expecting. Mr. Ludwig's speech was, well, it just confirms for us that you're the orphanage we want to go through.
It's a truly magical place. I felt right at home from the second I entered. You open that door the first time and you just know. You're never going to leave. Kind of like finding a home as a child and always thinking of it when you want to feel comforted. I understand you want to give Jeremy that home? Yes, and we would like to adopt. Amazing. You'll be perfect for... Oh. What? Well, it appears there's been some complications. Complications? What kind of complications? I don't know. The form says testing. What does that mean? Tell us. What does that mean?
Miss Graper, we deserve a better explanation than that. Don't you think?
You're in charge of all this. How could you not know?
And why are we only finding out about this now?
I don't. I'm sorry.
I call the biggest amount of BS. She knows everything. Stella Graber. Huh? It's funny because, forgive me, but Graber is a highly Caucasian last name, but she sounds Spanish. Her accent alludes to her being Spanish. So maybe she's married to a white man. Just saying. Alright, so there was nothing in her office except for some lore. God, I can't see anything. So all this for nothing? Am I supposed to... Always look up. Hey, I heard something. Oh. What'd I say? Always look up in Poppy Playtime. I'm smart.
Hi, I'm Crafty Corn. Can you help me with my painting? Pass me the blue, please. Thanks.
Blue?
Now, can you give me some red?
Sorry. I don't got red, I have this
More
done.
red, please.
Oh, I get it.
But we can't be out.
Your time is running short. Turn and go home.
You're hiding more red
Little
from
late
me.
for that.
I know you are.
I have no red on me, young lady.
Give it here!
Well then. Oh, more lore. These offices do not look comfortable. And I should know, I work in an office. Ew. Is that oil? Is that poop water? Yeah. I have to go up, don't I? Yep. Going up. Alrighty. So far, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Like, I thought more scary crap would happen. I don't want to put my foot in my mouth. But I'm just like... not too... Hello? Oh, the smoke! Oh, I hate playing with this mask, man. Okay. Oh, what's that? These stupid chairs, bro! Oh. I could take it from here, right? Yes, sir. Okay. What does that power up? This? No? Oh. Aha! What now? Oh. Oh, I get it. Oh, I get it. I get it. Yep. And the other one too, right? And I have a limited time to... Yep, I'm smart. I got it. Alright. Boom. 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 And... bang. I did it? Yep. Right here. Look at me. Hello? That's not right. Oh. Alright, but let me explore elsewhere. Ooh, why is it so high up? Hello. What? Oh, okay, that connects to there. That goes to... Wait. Hmm. Okay. Oh, okay, so I just gotta move this. Hello? Okay. Boom. Right, and then... The hell did I do wrong? Was I in the way? Why is it not? Do I have to move this? Oh. I heard a ding. Aha. And that's gonna launch me. Yep. Boom. Bop. Bang. Oof. Alright. Easy enough. Okay. Oh, that's a battery. How can I... The hell did it go? Oh, there you go. That's all that too, right? What the hell happened to the... Did the battery disappear? It sure did. Wait. Why did the battery grow? Or am I tripping? That's the battery.
What?
Do you not see how big the battery is? What the hell's going on with this game?
It's tweaking. Damn!
Look at that! Wait.
Jimmy,
How did that happen?
Jimmy, it's the size of you.
What did I do? Alright. See, this works. Look, I can't even jump with the battery. I cannot jump with the battery. So what the hell am I supposed to do? Alright, hold on. I think I broke the game. Unintentionally. Because what the hell? Sure. What the heck, man? These puzzles are so convoluted. Okay. And then leap. Alright, because I know it's for this. Alright, come here, big boy. Scissor would love you.
Jimmy.
I can't put the battery in here. It went in. Do you see this? Mob, I don't know what's going on with your game, but y'all should probably fix that. Oh, I probably should have put it in here first, shouldn't I? Come on, big boy. It's still so big. What is this? Oh. Wait. Let go. Can you not? Okay. So my guess is that I have to break this too. Is the same thing gonna happen? Where'd it go? Okay. Because this is a bunch of nonsense with that battery. That is funny. It looked like one of them big batteries you get at the Family Dollar that nobody buys. For those giant flashlights that nobody uses anymore. Alright. Come on. Alright, now I gotta break you. Something you hear in every toxic relationship. Break! Didn't break? Alright, well I'm not gonna be doing this all game. That's so funny. Hey, look at me. There you go. I'm editing this part. There we go. Alright. First you. Boom. And then the other pain in the... There we go. Don't you do it! Why are you not going in? Why are you not going in? Do not tell me it's because it's too big. Oh, I probably gotta redirect the power now. Yes. Okay. Ah! Oh, going according to plan. I don't like that. I don't like that music at all. That's that scary jazz music, and I ain't with it. Go to the dome. Oh! I don't know why I got scared. Wait, I still can't leave you there? How do y'all want me to leave? How did y'all want me to leave? Okay, I came out of the... Oh, do I have to go in the elevator? Oh, it's open. Yep. Most annoying thing. you. My God. Oh, the mask. Where did I go? I can't. The prototype has saved us all. You sure about that? Ooh, I'm getting claustrophobia. I don't like this at all. I can't open this door. Oh. Oh. Sure.
Surprise, mother.
Ah! Well, I didn't die. So I'm guessing that was supposed to happen.
This isn't a place you come back
Am I being born again?
from. Do you have any idea what you're doing?
No, not at all.
Do you know what's happened here?
Death. And lots of it.
Do you know who we once were?
Vaguely. Children.
Do you see why we have to end this? Do you even know what's real?
Are you real? Am I inside an evil vagina?
Why would you say that?
Huggy!
No, you don't.
Me when I'm clocking out? Hey! Well, that was entertaining. So, I think that's a fantastic way to end this stream. So, we pissed off CatNap. Really bad. And yeah, I think I'm going to stop right here. So, thank you guys for watching. You can catch this edited on YouTube at just June215, which is the same place you can find me streaming on here. And just to remind you, my sister's is Brittany D77. That's BRITTAN.
Excuse me?
BRITTANYDEE 77.
Wow. You don't love me.
Yeah, because I don't know what to do. I'm scared to go anywhere else right now. That's why I died. So I'm gonna stop here. So y'all be good. Take care of each other. Be safe out there. I love y'all. And bye.